Inna the hills of my while the sun so bright, I youth them on my backbone for shine light. Him run cross field, sing song all day. The elders say, boy, you blessing away. Inna the hills of 9 Mile, the sun so bright, I youth him rub backbone for shine light. Him run cross fields, sing song all day. The elders say, boy, you blessing away. Mama said the last she strong, she pray. Tell him one day you will lead the way. No riches, no gold, just love so true. Jah planning steps, the fire just grew. The drums start beat, the words start flow. A little youth with a dream to grow. But the journey rough, the road gets steep. Still you know, say the roads run deep. One song, one fight, one love unite. Rise from the ghetto, shine the light. Roots of a legend, story so bold. Trenchtown Youth turn music to gold. Move to the city, the place was tough. Trenchtown fire, life was rough. Sound system clash, the music rise. Young Bob sing with passion inside. Them laugh at first, but the rhythm strong. Him hold the mic, chant up the song. Hunger in belly, but open heart. Him and the Wailers ready for start. Peter and Bunny, the crew so tight. Sing about freedom, sing about rights. From yard to foreign, the words spread far. Rebel music make Baba start. One song, one fight, one love unite. Rise from the ghetto, shine the light. Roots of a legend, story so bold. Trenchtown Youth turn music to gold. Now the world I listen, the message real. Reggae music are the people's shield. Cowards echo, the truth can't hide. One love call, unite worldwide. In chant for the sufferer, chant for the poor. Talk about Africa, talk about war. In tell the people, don't lose faith. Righteous path are the only way. From small yard shows to stadium crowd. The music live, the people proud. Roots reggae still beat so strong. Bob Marley name live on so long. One song, one fight, one love unite. Rise from the ghetto, shine the light. Roots of a legend, story so bold. Trenchtown Youth turn music to gold. Rise up, stand tall. The music live on, can't fall. From 9 Mile to the world, reggae still rule. One love unfurl. Inna the heart of Trenchtown, the fire ignite. 3 voices, 1 rhythm, a musical fight. From the ghetto to the world, the message spread. Reggae rise, them can't stop the trend. Inna the ghetto where the struggle real, music was the way to heal. Bob, Peter, Bunny, 3 youth strong. Harmony, swing and trod along. From clock Sundays to Studio One. The fire blaze, the work began. With every note, they rise so high. The voice of the people reach for the sky. Them sing for the poor, them chant for the weak. Babylon shake when the Wailers speak. From simmer down to one foundation. The reggae sound shake every nation. Marley and the Wailers sound so sweet. From Trenchtown Street to the world and reach. Marley and the Wailers sound so sweet. From Trenchtown Street to the world and reach. One love, one voice, stand up tall. Reggae music still rule them all. Them face the system, them fight the fight. Music was the weapon, the truth was bright. Island records give them the deal. But the journey tough, the road not feel. Catch a fire, burn them hard, burn and bring the rebel God. The people chant, the world unite. Reggae music shine the light. The band grow strong, the sound get deep. Your message spread the whole world we. From London town to Africa land. The Wailers play, the people stand. Marley and the Wailers sound so sweet. From Trenchtown Street to the world and reach. Marley and the Wailers sound so sweet. From Trenchtown Street to the world and reach. One love, one voice, stand up tall. Reggae music still rule them all. Them spread the love, them spread the fire. Reggae never done, it rise up higher. Though Peter gone and Bonnie too, the soul live on, the message true. The Wailers built a movement strong, the whole world sing along. Exodus travel far and wide, redemption song bring tears inside. Even now, the rhythm play, the Wailers name can't fade away. From Kingston Street to Zion Gate, reggae music still hold the fate. Marley and the Wailers sound so sweet. From Trenchtown Street to the world and reach. Marley and the Wailers sound so sweet. From Trenchtown Street to the world and reach. One love, one voice, stand up tall. Reggae music still rule them all. One rhythm, one fire, one love, we strong. The message live, the journey long. Reggae still rise, the fire not die. The truth will shine, reach up high. The lion rests, but in spirit rise. The words live on, they never die. From Trenchtown Street to Zion High, Bob still chant, the fire still fly. The news did spread, the world did cry. One legend gone, but his voice won't die. May 11, the sun did set, but reggae rise, them won't forget. Him sing for love, him sing for fight. Him chant for truth, him bring the light. From Babylon chains to Zion door, him pave the way forevermore. Jah call him home, but the Riddim play. Every ghetto you still hear him say, don't give up, stand tall, be strong. In legacy, live in every song. Legend never dies, the fire still burn. The words live on, the youth still learn. Legend never dies, the fire still burn. The words live on, the youth still learn. From Trenchtown Street to Zion High, Bob still chant, the spirit rise. From Kingston Town to worldwide stage, a message strong, it never fade. The rebels chant, the people sing. One love still a mighty thing. Buffalo soldier, still marching on. The redemption song still standing strong. Three little birds still ease the pain. The sunshine come after the rain. Jah know in words still heal the land. The youth still rise, them overstand. The message clear, it can't erase. Our voice still there in every place. Legend never dies, the fire still burn. The words live on, the youth still learn. Legend never dies, the fire still burn. The words live on, the youth still learn. From Trenchtown Street to Zion High, Bob still chant, the spirit rise. Reggae still roll like the river wide. In spirit dance on the ocean tide. New voices rise, but them still know the part in war, the seeds and soul. Africa call them, hear it cry. Emancipate, still reach the sky. Every struggle, every fight, Bob words guide them through the night. So when the sun set, don't shed no tear, just play the song, him always here. The legend live, the voice still strong, just press play, it still live on. Legend never dies, the fire still burn. The words live on, the youth still learn. Legend never dies, the fire still burn. The words live on, the youth still learn. From Trenchtown Street to Zion High, Bob still chant, the spirit rise. One love still there, the music play forever. Stand firm or strong, a legend live on. love, one heart, one destiny. The world needs unity, can't you see? Jah guide the people, keep them strong. The message life, the journey long. In the heart of Zion deep, where the truth and the roots them meet. A little youth with a big, big dream. Preach about love, make the world blessed beam. He said no more war, who put down the gun. One heart, one voice, we all are one. Enchanting loud from yard to sea. Cause unity set the captives free. The rich and poor and the black and white, we all deserve the same birthright. No segregation, no more hate. Jah guide the world before it's late. One love, one heart, let's stand as one. Together we're strong, the journey just begun. No more division, no more fight. Jah light shine bright in the darkest night. Them try to stop him, silence the sound. But truth rise up, it can't stay down. Them fight the message, call it a lie. But the righteous man can't deny. The system fear the words of peace. Them love war and no want it cease. But reggae music strong like steel. The voice of the people it must reveal. In sing for the people rich and poor. In teach them love me say even more. It show the world that all can be free. One love, one heart, one destiny. One love, one heart, let's stand as one. Together we're strong, the journey just begun. No more division, no more fight. Jah light shine bright in the darkest night. One love, one heart, let's stand as one. Together we're strong, the journey just begun. No more division, no more fight. Jah light shine bright in the darkest night. Years gone by but the words still live. The music strong, still got love to give. From Africa to America wide, one love still a guide the tide. Reggae music still chant the truth. Jah bless the elder, protect the youth. Every nation, every race unite. Love is the key, turn darkness to light. The message carried from shore to shore. One world, one people, let's fight no more. The CD plant still strong today. One love, one heart, it can't decay. One love, one heart, let's stand as one. Together we're strong, the journey just begun. No more division, no more fight. Jah light shine bright in the darkest night. One love, one heart, let's stand as one. Together we're strong, the journey just begun. No more division, no more fight. Jah light shine bright in the darkest night. One love, one heart, one destiny. The message lives on forever free. Stand together, hand in hand. Reggae live across the land. From the ghetto, me rise up high. Trenchtown Youth can't say goodbye. Jah guide me steps, me hold me fight. Music lift me up the night.
Long time the land them try control. Divide we up, enslave the soul. Them take the gold, them take the land. Treat the people blood on hand. From Kenya rise to Angola fight. The people march, them claim the right. Zimbabwe call the fire spark. The system dark, but Jah light shine stark. The youth them chant, the rebels move. Them stand for justice, them can't lose. The revolution never cease. The heart still beat for the word release. Zimbabwe calling, Africa rise. We stand together, open we eyes. Zimbabwe calling, Africa rise. We stand together, open we eyes. The drum still beat, the fire still blaze. One people, one love, one world we praise. Kingston man, but Africa strong. Bob come sing the freedom song. The rhythm roll, the speakers loud. Reggae talk for the people crowd. 1939, the call reached high. The lion roared, the warriors cry. Zimbabwe birth, the chains them fall. Marley come to unite them all. He chant for peace and chant for love. Don't want them to no push nor shove. Reggae music bring the light. The rebel soul, the righteous fight. Zimbabwe calling, Africa rise. We stand together, open we eyes. Zimbabwe calling, Africa rise. We stand together, open we eyes. The drum still beat, the fire still blaze. One people, one love, one world, we praise. Kingston man, but Africa strong. Bob come sing the freedom song. The rhythm roll, the speakers loud. Reggae talk for the people crowd. 1939, the call reach high. The lion roar, the warriors cry. Zimbabwe birth, the chains them fall. Marley come for unite them all. They chant for peace and chant for love. Don't want them to no push nor shove. Reggae music bring the light. The rebel soul, the righteous fight. Zimbabwe calling, Africa rise. We stand together, open we eyes. Zimbabwe calling, Africa rise. We stand together, open we. The drum still beat, the fire still blaze. One people, one love, one world, we praise. The flag wave high, the people free. The chains them brought the lion see. Bob words live, them never die. The freedom cry still touch the sky. South Africa, yeah, Mandela rise. The world can't hide from the rebel eyes. From Ethiopia to Congo land, the rhythm strong, the people stand. No more shackles, no more pain. The drums beat loud like pouring rain. The reggae soul, it never fade. The freedom fight, it never trade. Zimbabwe calling, Africa rise. We stand together, open we eyes. Zimbabwe calling, Africa rise. We stand together, open we. The drum still beat, the fire still blaze. One people, one love, one world, we praise. One voice, one fight, one love, forever strong. Reggae rise up the journey long. From Trenchtown to Harare sound. Freedom chant, the world spin round.
And love will be shut down, but truth still be that can be drowned. And take the food them rob the land, yet we still rise, we can't be banned. Them come with Bible, them come with gun. Them claim salvation, but still we run. But take the pool, then drop the land, yet we still rise, we can't be banned. Them come with Bible, them come with gun. Them claim salvation, but still we run. Them take the pool, but take the side. Left to get the youth for some fertile. Babylon set up the dirty game. Police a shoot them call with them. John know the system lie. Them why we suffer, them why we cry. Every day another youth gets slain. Them can't eat, them feel the pain. But the fire still ablaze. Ganja said the truth can't die. Babylon system wicked and cold. Them take us soul, them love control. Babylon system wicked and cold. Them take us soul, them love control. Stand up strong, we can't bow down. Ganja watch, we still wear the crown. The government lie, they make us blind. Them flood the streets with drugs and crime. Them build the walls, them lock the gate. But me not fall, me stand up straight. Marcus Garvey tell the truth. Freedom live in the minds of youth. So rise up high, we got the man. We burn the chains, we burn the plan. Peter Tosh say legalize, cause the herbs them fear the wise. But knowledge strong and truth still rise. Babylon can't hide your eyes. Babylon system wicked and cold. Them take my soul, them love control. Babylon system wicked and cold. Them take my soul, them love control. Stand up strong, we can't bow down. Ganja watch, we still wear the crown. But Marley said chant them down. The lion rise will wear the crown. Them can't hold back a righteous man. The fire blaze it on the plan. Them rob the people, them rob the land. Them take the power from Ganja hand. But Rasta leave the roots still strong. We'll sing the tune, the whole world song. We'll sing the tune, the whole world song. From Africa to the western seas, the revolution rise like this. We stand for truth, we stand for right. Babylon shake when we unite. Babylon system wicked and cold. Them take my soul, them love control. Babylon system wicked and cold. Them take my soul, them love control. Stand up strong, we can't bow down. Jaja watch, we still wear the crown. Smooth fade out, the people never fall. Jah guide we, one and all control. Babylon fall, truth still shine. Revolution, the world is mine. Woo! The people never fall. Jah guide we, one and all. Babylon fall, truth still shine. Revolution, the world is mine.
My soul guide me path. Rastaman chant the wicked depart. From Zion high the truth must flow. i.p.oLegacy the king will know. Political youth me search for light. In the ghetto through darkest night. Them teach me lies but my heart they feel. i.p.oLegacy the king will know. They tell me go but me stand up strong. The Babylon chains can't hold me long. Me hear the elders, me chant the song. Rastafari guide me with holy bond. Under the sun, my locks grow free. Jaja whisper, son, come to me. Me find the truth, my soul ignite. Selassie, I me eternal light. Rastaman vibrations run through my soul. Jaja guiding me, make I hold. From Zion high, the trumpet sound. Babylon fall when the truth come round. Take the foe toward the path, no turn back now. The world of fight, them can't believe. I Rastafari still never deceive. Me burn the fire, me chant and pray. Me trod Mount Zion, me find the way. No more illusion, no more disguise. Truth in my heart, Jah open my eyes. The idol food, the sacred herb. The words of prophecy me serve. Hail the lion, the conquering king. My voice rise up, the heavens sing. Rastaman vibrations run through my soul. Jaja guiding me, make I hold. From Zion high, the trumpet sound. Babylon fall when the truth come round. Me see the people lost in pain. Them chase the riches, them love the fame. But the system blind to take them mind. Only Jah like make man divine. So me chant the words, me sing the song. For free the youths from Babylon. No more chains, no more tears. Jah kingdom near, my soul can't fear. Love the brethren, we teach the youth. The road is hard but hold the truth. Through every storm, me trot along. Rastaman strong, the spirit strong. Rastaman vibrations run through my soul. Jaja guiding me, make I hold. From Zion high, the trumpet sound. Babylon fall when the truth come round. Babylon can't hold me down. Rastafari way, me never stray. The king still reign. i.p.oLegacy, I name. Babylon can't me down. Rastafari way, me never stray. The king still reign, i.p.oLegacy I name. Rastaman Vibrations run through my soul. Ganja guiding me, make I hold. From Zion high, the trumpet sound. Babylon fall when the
Shot fire, but they never fall. Jah guide his destination strong. Reggae can't dead, the fire live on. The traffic stop the lion, but him still stand tall. Gunshot fire, but him never fall. Jah guide him steps, the mission strong. Reggae can't dead, the fire live long. December 3, 1976, Bob's Cove called with death. Late night in Kingston town. Babylon moved them, try and shoot him down. Gunshot ring, the ear get cold, but Jah protect. You never fall. The message strong, the mission clear. Them can't stop what people hear. Smile Jamaica still have a clear. The bullets fly him fine aware. The struggle real, the system tight, but truth will always shine the light. Even wounded, him still sing strong. The voice of Jah, the fire live on. Survival fire, it burns so bright. Even in darkness, still shine the light. Survival fire, it burns so bright. Even in darkness, still shine the light. Them try to stop him, but him never fall. Reggae still rise, still rule them all. 2 days later, the show must go on. They step on stage, the buckle one. Blood on the shirt, but heart so pure. The spirit strong, the message sure. Them want silence, but them can't kill truth. Jah word firm from the days of youth. Rasta chant, the people rise. Reggae music, open eyes. From Kingston streets to the world so wide. The fire burn, him lead the tribe. Every song a weapon strong. Against oppression, against the wrong. Survival fire, it burns so bright. Even in darkness, still shine the light. Survival fire, it burns so bright. Even in darkness, still shine the light. Them try to stop him, but him never fall. Reggae still rise, still rule them all. Now him voice echo through the time. Rebel music, message divine. The people chant the words to feel. The fire live, the wound them heal. Can fight for peace and chant for love. The mission guided from above. No chains could hold, no gun could win. The reggae song still rise within. One love spread from shore to shore. The legend live forevermore. Though the warrior rests in Zion, his song live on, the fire still lion. Survival fire, it burns so bright. Even in darkness, still shine the light. Survival fire, it burns so bright. Even in darkness, still shine the light. Them try to stop him, but him never fall. Reggae still rise, still rule them all. Them can't stop reggae, them can't stop truth. One love still shine from youth to youth. The struggle hard, but we stand tall. The fire still burns, it never fall. Them can't stop reggae, them can't stop truth. One love still shine from youth to youth. The struggle hard, but we stand tall. The fire still burn, it never fall. Shine bright, me can't go down. Hope in the music, the freedom sound. From the hills of Zion to every land, lift up your voice, make the world overstand. Wake up early, sun upon my face. Still see the chains, still feel the weight. Them try for hold on, but just say no. The songs of freedom, them start to flow. From Trenchtown street to the battleground, the voice of the sufferer still make a sound. Them try suppress, but truth too strong. Reggae rise up, the people chant along. Me see the youth, me feel the pain. Them searching light in the pouring rain. But music heal, the fire burn. Freedom calling, now it's our turn. Sing the songs of freedom, let it fly high. One love, one people reach for the sky. Jah bless we, the chains now lost. From the past to the future.
future we trot steadfast. Me hear the rhythm, me feel the fire. Lyrics so strong, the people inspire. One love, one heart, the message spread. Give hope to the poor, wake the living dead. Every note, every song is a rebel call. For break them walls, for watch them fall. Babylon fear the power of sound. Cause truth can shake the whole world round. From Zimbabwe to Soweto town, reggae music bring oppression down. The whole world sing, the people rise. The lion roar, me hear the cries. Sing the songs of freedom, let it fly high. One love, one people reach for the sky. Ganja bless we, the chains not lost. From the past to the future we trot steadfast. Sing the songs of freedom, let it fly high. One love, one people reach for the sky. Ganja bless we, the chains not lost. From the past to the future we trot steadfast. The journey long but we still a fight. Jah light shine in the darkest night. The youth them chant, them rise again. They struggle live on paper and pen. No chains can bind, no guns can kill. The words live on, the dream fulfill. From the ghetto streets to the grand stage, Bob words echoes to light the way. When we hear redemption, the soul feels free. Exodus guide them across the sea. The voice of the prophet never gone. Reggae live on, the fire strong. Sing the songs of freedom, let it fly high. One love, one people reach for the sky. Ganja bless we, the chains not lost. From the past to the future we trot steadfast. One song, one fight, one love we strong. The message live, the journey long. Reggae still rise, the fire not die. The truth will shine, reach up high. Skylight shine bright, it down down. Building us at the freedom sound. From the hills of Zion to every land, lift up your voice, make the world overstand. Skylight shine bright, it down down. Building us at the freedom sound. From the hills of Zion to every land, lift up your voice, make the world overstand. The ghetto streets, the sound so sweet. Jah bless the youth, but the road ain't neat. Struggles heavy, but the spirit's on. Rise up strong, we can't fall. Born in the heart of Trenchtown Deep. One pot for men, enough nights me sleep. Rain pan the zinc, mama wipe she eye. The landlord knock the rent too high. Born in the heart of Trenchtown Deep. One pot for men, enough nights me sleep. Rain pan the zinc, mama wipe she eye. The landlord knock the rent too high. Born in the heart of Trenchtown Deep. One pot for men, enough nights me sleep. Rain pan the zinc, mama wipe she eye. The landlord knock the rent too high. Barefoot run, my dreams start grow. Sing on the street, make the people know. My voice was small, but the passion loud. Every ghetto youth feel my words in a crowd. Gunshot echo, me dodge them fast. System set up for make we no last. But me hold that tight, me now back down. One day my name I go shake the town. From the ghetto, me rise up high. Trenchtown Youth can't say goodbye. Jah guide me steps, me hold me fight. Music lift me out the night. Me start on the corner, sound system roar. Every night my voice shake the floor. Select a skin, the rhythm just right. Me chant about life, me chant about fight. People start watch them feel me pain. Every lyrics fall like heavy rain. Me sing for the sufferer, sing for the poor. Sing for the youths we need much more. Me send them a tape, knock on door. Some turn them back, some beg for more. One day me hear me song on ear. Me look to the sky, me say a prayer. From the ghetto, me rise up high. Trenchtown Youth can't say goodbye. Jah guide me steps, me hold me fight. Music lift me out the night. Now me fly cross, see me reach foreign land. From small town boy to reggae man. The same old youth but the world now see. The ghetto spirit still living on me. Every mic me touch, me chant them truth. Tell the world about the Trenchtown Youth. How we suffer, how we fight for stand. How we rise up tall in a Babylon. But me not forget me yarn, my people strong. me give them hope with every song. The message live, me can't retire. Reggae music burn like fire.
From the ghetto, me rise up high. Trenchtown Youth can't say goodbye. You guide me steps, me hold me fight. Music lift me out the night. Music and the fire still burn. Bob Marley name, the whole world learn. Body in a line, mind, the spirit strong. Mama said they'll teach me right from wrong. It get rough, but my voice did rise. Melody best, my truth in my eyes. Me meet the wailers, me find my song. Showers flow, the rhythm profound. From the yard, the youth them sing. The world soon hear what the Rasta bring. The radio player, the message spread. The lion roar, no more dread. From Kingston town to foreign land, reggae rise, the truth can't stand. Reggae revolution, the world ignite. Ganja music shining bright. From Trenchtown streets to foreign shore, one love forevermore. Falling the 9 man, the spirit strong. Mama said they'll teach me right from wrong. It get rough, but my voice did rise. Melody bless me, truth in my eyes. But meet the wailers, me find my song. Showers flow, the rhythm profound. From the yard, the youth them sing. The world soon hear what the Rasta bring. The radio player, the message spread. The lion roar, no more dread. From Kingston town to foreign land, reggae rise, the truth can't stand. Reggae revolution, the world ignite. Ganja music shining bright. From Trenchtown streets to foreign shore, one love forevermore. The plane take off, me land in France. The people gather, the whole world dance. London call, me touch the stage. Reggae chant, the vibes engage. Me sing about justice, the poor man's fight. The system fear, the Rasta light. The dreadlocks long, me spirit free. No more chains, my soul must be. One drop rhythm, the people sway. Reggae message can't fade away. From Africa to New York town, Bob Marley name still wear the crown. Reggae revolution, the world ignite. Ganja music shining bright. From Trenchtown streets to foreign shore, one love forevermore. Them try to stop it, but still it grow. The message deep like a river flow. Marley gone, but the fire stay. Every youth still chant today. Reggae on the radio, reggae in the streets. Reggae in the dance, while people feel the beat. The culture strong, the roots still live. The world still chant, the words him give. One love, echo, unity rise. Reggae music, it never die. From the slums to the Grammy stage, the revolution blaze the page. Reggae revolution, the world ignite. Ganja music shining bright. From Trenchtown streets to foreign shore, one love forevermore. Reggae never stop. The world big dance. Reggae music still advance. The world love never drop. The world still dance. Reggae music still advance. The lights them shine, the crowd them roar. Reggae vibrations rock the floor. From Kingston town to London stage, the music live, it never fade. London town, the rain did fall, but the reggae song still stand tall. The rainbow stage, the firelight, people dancing toward the light. From Trenchtown rock to one love call, the message rise, unite them all. Him skank and move, him sing so free, the music chant for unity. Every note, the spirit strong, the crowd them chant, them sing along. Them feel the love, them feel the vibe. at the rainbow, the music rise, reggae vibrations reach the skies. Live at the rainbow, the music rise, reggae vibrations reach the skies. Child love strong, the people sing, the sound still echo the message with. Him step on stage with no fear inside, though Babylon try to break him stride. The fire burn, the lion roar, the revolution sound hardcore. They struggle real, but hope still shine. The music guide like the words divine. Every song a battle cry to free the people, no more lie. Even wounded, him never stop. Him voice too strong, the fight won't drop. From ghetto youth to world so wide, reggae rise and never hide. Live at the rainbow, the music rise, reggae vibrations reach the skies. Live at the rainbow, the music rise, reggae vibrations reach the skies. Child love strong, the people sing, the sound still echo the message with. Now the stage may fade, but the songs live on. The message travel, it still stays strong. From Kingston Street to the worldwide place, the reggae sound still set the pace. One love chant, the world unite. The people dance beneath the light. Even years gone, the echoes stay. Live at the rainbow, still play today. From Africa shores to the UK scene, him voice still ring like a prophet dream. The crowd still move, the rhythm roll. Reggae music feed the soul. Live at the rainbow, the music rise, reggae vibrations reach the skies. Live at the rainbow, the music rise, reggae vibrations reach the skies. Child love strong, the people sing, the sound still echo the message with. The fire still burns, the music live on. The stage may fade, but the message strong. One love, one sound, it can't die. Reggae still shine and reach the sky. From the ghetto bring light to the world. The rhythm strong, the message bold. Genuine spirit they are still. Forever reggae king, we hail him still. Born in 9 Mile, the youth was wise. With a vision bright, fire in him eyes. Trenchtown taught him how to fight. Turn the pain to song, turn dark to light. From the yard the rhythm flow. Lyrics deep like a river roll. Poverty never shake him soul. And chant for the people, make them whole. One mic, one sound, the world in ear. And voice bring hope, wipe away the fear. Them try to stop him, them try to break. But truth and love was the road he take. Forever reggae king, the lion still roar. The rhythm still play, the people want more. Forever reggae king, the lion still roar. The rhythm still play, the people want more. One love, one sun still shining bright. The fire still burn, the spirit take flight. Buffalo soldiers march still strong. Get up, stand up, still carry on. Every rebel youth still feel the sound. The truth in the rhythm shake the ground. Babylon shake when it chant for peace. The words break chain, bring hearts release. The struggle real, but hope still high. Cause Bob did tell us we can touch the sky. From Kingston town to Africa wide. The name still echo like the rising tide. Jam music flow, it can't erase. The legacy there, in every place. Forever reggae king, the lion still roar. The rhythm still play, the people want more. Forever reggae king, the lion still roar. The rhythm still play, the people want more. One love, one song still shining bright. The fire still burn, the spirit take flight. Them can't stop what you're ordering. The words live on, them still remain. Through every youth to chant and sing. The spirit rise in everything. Reggae still strong, the world still dance. The dread still chant, the lion prompts. No bullet could have stopped
No system could have dimmed the light. So when the sun set, don't cry, no tears. The message plays, see the coming years. The king still rule, the song still I. Forever in reggae, it never died. Forever reggae king, the lion still roar. The rhythm still play, the people want more. Forever reggae king, the lion still roar. The rhythm still play, the people want more. One love, one song still shining bright. The fire still burn, the spirit take flight. One love still there, the music play forever. Stand firm, hold strong, the reggae king live on. Them try for break me, them try for hold, but my spirit strong, my heart can't cold. A pill and chains, them never last. The righteous shot, the wicked pass. Them laugh at time, them scorn the name. Say me drink too high, my songs in vain. But the most I give me like to see the lion wake, my soul set free. Through storm and rain, me still a fight. The fire burn, me walking like them build the walls, but me climb so high. With Jah beside, me touch the sky. I a lion, Zion, me never fall. Rastaman rise up, me stand tall. I a lion, Zion, me never fall. Rastaman rise up, me stand tall. Jah bless me, no chains hold line. Through the fire, my spirit fly. No strength for the world, me go. The message spread, the truth me show. Them never like the words me sing, but me can't stop, my heart still bring. One love chant, me tell the youth. The system false, me talk the truth. Them fear the power in Jaja's sound, but the reggae rise, it shake the ground. Me look to Zion, me strength restore. Me nah go stop till Babylon roar. Me chant for peace, me chant for love, but if them fight, Jah rise above. I a lion, Zion, me never fall. Rastaman rise up, me stand tall. I a lion, Zion, me never fall. Rastaman rise up, me stand tall. Jah bless me, no chains hold line. Through the fire, my spirit fly. Through the fire, let the night we echo about me, echo about me, echo about me. On through the fire, feel the rhythm, feel the rhythm, feel the rhythm.
The time will come, the voice still play. The rebel soul, it never fade away. From Kingston town to Africa land, the youth still chant with reggae hands. The lion roar, the spirit live. The message strong, the song still give. Me walk with Jah, me walk in light. They can't stop me, my heart shine bright. The world may shake, the stars may fall, but Rastaman still stand up tall. Me fight the fight, me trod the way. In Zion gates, me find me stay.
I a lion, Zion, me never fall. Rastaman rise up, me stand tall. I a lion, Zion, me never fall. Rastaman rise up, me stand tall. Jah bless me, no chains hold line. Through the fire, my spirit fly. One voice, one fight, one love forever strong. Rastaman trod on the journey long. Zion gates open, me step inside. The lion still roar, me never hide. And the night we echo about me, echo about me, echo about me. Walk through the fire, feel the rhythm, feel the rhythm, feel the rhythm. I a lion, Zion, me never fall. Rastaman rise up, me stand tall. I a lion, Zion, me never fall. Rastaman rise up, me stand tall. Jah bless me, no chains hold line. Through the fire, my spirit fly. I can be below, while the fire still burn. The truth from the shore, the ancestors fight till we can't go. The system corrupt, so we rise up now. From long time them rule with fear. Wood crack loud, but we still here. The slave ship sail from blood and bone, but The spirit strong, it can be thrown. Them still will on, them still with nail. They make we work but keep it chain. Still we chant, still we pray. One day Babylon must pay. The youth them suffer, the elders cry. Politicians tell the same old lie, but the Rasta chants still carry weight. Jah say, nah bow to it. Stand up, step strong, never back down. Babylon fall when the people sound. Rise up high, let the fire blaze. Justice come in Jah ways. The system tell if we hush and sit, but a voice strong, we not quit. Marcus Garvey tell the truth. Africa call, we roots, we youth. The ghetto cry, the streets in pain. Gunshot echo, tears like rain. Still the warrior rise and fight for freedom spark in the darkest night. We don't do wicked, we chant for peace. The struggle not stop till the chains release. From Kingston town to foreign land, the fire burn, the youth them stand. Stand up, step strong, never back down. Babylon fall when the people sound. Rise up high, let the fire blaze. Justice come in Jah ways. I'm all time them room with fear. With crack loud, but we still here. The slave ship sail on blood and bone, but the spirit strong, it can be thrown. Them still will on, them still win nail. They make we work, but keep the chain. Still we chant, still we pray. One day Babylon must pay. The youth them suffer, the elders cry. Politicians tell the same old lie, but the Rasta chants still carry weight. Jah say, nah bow to it. Stand up, stand strong, never back down. Babylon fall when the people sound. Rise up high, let the fire blaze. Justice come in Jah ways. The system tell if we hush and sit, but my voice strong, me not quit. Marcus Garvey tell the truth. Africa call, we roots, we youth. The system tell if we hush and sit, but my voice strong, me not quit. Marcus Garvey tell the truth. Africa call, we roots, we youth. The system tell, never fall. Truth must shine, whatever not. The fight still there, the people strong. Jah guide us all along.